Lesson 1. Some of my friends are coming for dinner.
第一课听力测验 Part A 听力篇1辨识句意选出符合句子描述的图片
1. They like to pick up apples in autumn. They like to pick up apples in autumn. 2. People were amazed at the fireworks display. People were amazed at the fireworks display. 3. Robert is a vegetarian. Robert is a vegetarian. 4. One of the cars has a bike on the top. One of the cars has a bike on the top. 5. Most of the lemons are in the basket. Most of the lemons are in the basket.